Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A55 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the section connected with apps. Where is it? Oh, so it's almost at the bottom, so let's tap on apps. And then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset App Preferences, and here your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others, notification, restrictions for apps, and background data restrictions for apps. So what's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.